Sup, back in you guys, I'm Railfan Landon. Believe it or not, here is Hamilton Northwestern right now. Does not sound like a normal Hamilton Northwestern horn, but that's him. Cause Jonathan Elise is on there today. Apparently he has a big collection of train horns. That's just his hobby. So yeah, pretty cool hobby though. Those are the wire train horns onto the actual locomotive, so it's pretty cool. Here's the Hamilton Northwestern right now. There he is, like just a tad bit. I don't know what kind of horn that is, but no idea what kind of horn that is, but whatever. Don't know if doing pretty good. Here we go. Lots of struck here. Five loaded towel, tanker cars with a towel, and then one loaded lime covered on the car. There. And there it goes. Guys, and there it goes. Right now, there it goes. At Hamilton, Michigan. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I am Railfan Landon. Railfan Landon out. Sup, back in the vid, guys. I'm Railfan Landon. Here's Hamilton Northwestern here, approaching Fillmore. Assuming going straight through. Other than stopping at Fillmore Transload in here, but assuming he's not stopping at his usual spot where he stops right in front of it. Not far from us, but anyway. Here's Hamilton Northwestern right now. Jonathan Elise as the engineer. I will back up once it gets a little closer. As soon as he gets past that grade crossing, start backing up a little bit, and then you get a clear view without any shrubs blocking. So yeah. There he is right there. There he is. It's again a Hamilton Northwestern with a strange horn, but it's a collectible item from Jonathan Elise. Like, not collectible, but I should say train horn from his collection. Jonathan Elise's many train horn collections he has. Expensive hobby, but whatever. Still pretty cool hobby though. Here we go. There he is. I think we'll go across the track real fast. We're not trespassing. Here's a train right now. Here we go. We'll go right by the crossbuck here. We'll go right over here. Right on the edge. Maybe not the best. We'll end the video and start up again. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos to guess. Stay tuned for part 2. Railfan Landon out. Sup, back in that video, guys. Part 2 of Hamilton, Northwestern right now. Here he is. Just about the grade crossing here where we tend to have close calls at this crossing because no gates or signals or any lights of some sort, so people just go so fast down this road they don't stop. Seen pretty close calls here before, but hopefully no close calls today, hopefully not. Here's Hamilton, Northwestern right now with 6 freight cars. And Jonathan Elise is the engineer. Here we go. With his collectible, not collectible, but his train horn collection, I should say. Jonathan Elise's train horn collection. He has some sort of train horn on there. One of his collectibles all wired up and everything. That's pretty cool. Here it is right now. It is. I'll back up just a little bit. There we go. Train right now. Here he is. Hamilton, Northwestern right now. There he is. Get ready for the loud horn, guys. Here we go. Working on it slowly. Here's the last car, and there it goes. Starting to slow way down a little bit. Last car, and there it goes. Extra Northwestern. Last car now. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I am Rail Fan Landon out. Sup, back in the vid, guys. I'm Rail Fan Landon. Here is Hamilton, Northwestern with 5 loaded tanker cars, loaded with towel. Here he is right now. Here he is on the Hamilton Industrial Track, CXX owned Hamilton Industrial Track. There he is right now. There is unique horn on the train. I don't know what type it is, but it's a pre-unique horn. You don't hear this too often, ever. Plus Jonathan Elise on, because he always changes the horns on the engines, the locomotives. Here he is right now. Here he is. Just turn right now. Let's get one more good picture of it before it gets too close. Here we go. Sun's not helping for a good photo, I tell you what. Bad rail. Got a lot of videos of backlog for the past couple days. Upload. Stay tuned for that. Here's in right now, and there it goes. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I am Rail Fan Landon. Stay tuned for uploaded videos tomorrow morning. Stay tuned for that. And some tonight included. Rail fan landed out.